Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Kisi Hot TV. My name is Nyaputo Dennis Kunto. Tonight I'm here. We discuss something about the attempt arrest of activist Boniface Mwangi. Mwangi, he narrowly escaped the arrest from the plainclothes police officers because of the friends who prevented him from the arrest. So guys, I want us to look at this video before I say something. How the plainclothes police officers attempted to arrest the activist Boniface Mwangi, who narrowly escaped from the arrest because of their friends who tried to prevent him from the arrest. I think as a country, we have a long way to go. If someone is not a criminal, if someone is not a terrorist, you can't use such kind of force to arrest Raia in that way. Boniface Mwangi, being an activist, if you wanted him to appear before court or any police station, you were only to issue an order just to order him to appear in police station within a certain period of time. But because of this country we are, your seniors, they can decide to arrest you in any way, either by using power or force. Such kind of force, just using plainclothes police officers and some police officers with uniforms. Just you want to arrest someone who is weaponless, as I can say, someone who is unarmed in the CPD. Just, I don't know, but being an activist, they always check on the government and other stakeholders. I'm concerned the way our police officers conducted themselves. You, I think, even the one who gave out those orders, powers to arrest Mwangi, but I think this country, Kenya, we have a long way to go. If we have a long way to go, still we are under captivity. We are under, no, what can I say? Dictatorship. Okay? We are under dictatorship. When you use plainclothes officers to arrest an armed person, powerless person, an activist,